In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in Xero. If you're a Xero user looking to streamline your contact list, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring each action is clear and easy to follow. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Xero's official website. This is your gateway to your Xero dashboard, where all your account and financial information resides. Make sure you're logged in with the appropriate credentials to access your company file. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Next, direct your attention to the main menu and click on the Contacts tab. This feature is your access point to managing all your client and supplier details. You'll see various options displayed, but for this purpose, you should click on All Contacts. This section gives you a comprehensive view of everyone you've interacted with. With the list of all your contacts visible, it's time to select the contact you wish to merge. This is crucial because merging is a permanent action in Xero, so double check to ensure you're selecting the intended contact. Once you've decided, simply click on it to bring up the contact's details. You'll notice a Merge option. Click on this to move forward. Merging contacts can help declutter your list and avoid duplications, which in turn can prevent potential confusion during transactions or communications. To merge your chosen contact, you'll need to specify whom to merge it with. In a text box or similar input field that appears, type the name of the contact you wish to merge with. Ensure you're typing accurately, as any mistake here could lead to an undesired merge. After entering the name, click on the Merge button again. Before proceeding, take a moment to review the information to prevent any mishaps. If everything looks good, carry on to the next step. Finally, a confirmation dialog will appear. This is your last checkpoint to make sure everything is as intended. Click on Confirm Merge to complete the process. This action consolidates the details from the selected contact into the one you've chosen to merge with, thus eliminating any duplicates. And there you have it. You've successfully merged contacts in Xero. This simple yet effective process helps keep your contact list concise and organized. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has made your Xero experience a little bit smoother. If you found this helpful, consider revisiting for more tips on maximizing Xero's functionalities.